this right here, this whole thing is supposed to be the rooftop unit. This bottom section is the building. That's just simply an access door to the evaporator fan. The evaporator fan is the rooftop evaporator. This whole assembly here is the economizer. We've got the independent relief duct with a damper that opens and closes just for modeling purposes so that you can either show it with a typical economizer without the independent relief or the economizer, the dual stage operation with the independent relief duct. That is the return duct. There's a variable speed controller here that varies the speed of the evaporator fan. There's the economizer control board that right now is disengaged. So you can either operate this unit with the economizer damper through the controller or disengage it and operate it just with this manual damper, which is, I think, the preferred way. This thing right here is for the access door for the pressure sensor that's inside. We've got the supply duct back over in the side here, ground supply duct. On this side, this is the micrometal economizer. That's the second stage relief dampers. The typical first stage relief dampers, outdoor dampers. The return duct. And this damper here is to simulate return ductwork in the system, so it adds static pressure to accommodate for some ductwork. That is to simulate building leakage. Again, our building. We've got 3 pressure gauges. One pressure gauge at the inlet to the return damper, which is what the typical first stage relief damper is subject to. It's that pressure. That's the pressure in the evaporator fan cabinet at the suction side of the evaporator fan. And that is the building pressure. So between all those, you get a good picture. So I'll start it up, Ted.
Let's go on the other side.
On the other side?
Yep. Just what's ever here, just probably nothing, but.
Yeah, well, there's the supply duct, and that's the base pressure reading for the building pressure port.
Okay, very good. All right, man, let's start her up.
So then we start